Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Duskull from Pokemon. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So on the left side we're going to draw an oval with an open end on the outside. So let's start on the outside here. We're going to curve around, come down towards the bottom. Now I'm just going to pull that up, again leaving a gap on the outside. We're going to take that and flip it over on the right. So let's line up the top, go around towards the top of the eye, come down to the bottom, and then just pull that up. Now we're going to draw the inside edge of the eye. Starting from the top on the left, we're going to curve around, and then just pull that in towards the bottom. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now there's only one iris on the right side. So we start on the inside, we're going to draw an oval, going up, around, we're going to tuck this in. Now on the inside, we're going to draw a smaller oval for the pupil. Now that we've drawn the eyes, let's move down and draw on the edge of the teeth. So in the center, we're going to step down, we're going to draw a small curve, coming down and then up. Now on the ends, I'm going to angle up and out, aiming towards the eye. Now we're going to continue this curve, going across with a short line. Now we're going to draw two more teeth. From the left, we're going to angle out and down. Now we're going to curve up. Now let's just pull this back in. So from the outside, we're going to go straight up towards the edge of the tooth. Now we're going to move up towards the top, right in the center here. We're going to start with a point, and we're going to draw the inside edge of the hood. We're going to go around the eye and then in towards the corner of the tooth. So go out, round it out, and then just pull that in. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Starting from the top, go out in an angle, around the eye, and then we'll curve that in. Let's add that wisp along the top. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. On the right side, we're going to curve out and up towards the right. Now we're going to round this out and come up towards the tip. Just blend to a curve going around, back over towards the left, and down. Now we're going to curl this up, blending it into a curve. Now we're going to pull this back in towards the base. From this side, I'm just going to taper down and in to right about there. We're going to pull this back out again. Just reversing the curve. Now we're going to do a little bump and come in. Round this out and then come in. Now let's draw on the outside of the body. From this point, I want to create an overlap. So we're going to step out, curve around the side of the head, and then down to about the same height as the center of the eye. Do the same thing on the right. Going out. I'm just going to pull that down towards the same height as we have on the left. We're going to leave a gap for the arms. So on the left, we're going to step down, curve down underneath the tooth, and we're just going to pull that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. So lining this up, curve down around the tooth, and then pull that in. Let's tuck the arms in behind the head. So from this point, we're going to step up, curve out, round out the arm, and then just pull that in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Curving around, and then just pulling that in. Now from the ends, I want to create a point. I'm just going to curve this in with a short line. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to draw one more point, just a little shorter one, curving down and in. Now I'm going to pull this up and in behind that side of the body, but we're going to create a little overlap. Let's finish off the lower part of the body. From the left side, we're going to step out, curve down and out. Now I'm going to draw a wave going over towards the right. Starting here, we're going to go up, down. I'm going to round this out and go back up, and then back down. Now here, we're going to round this out and pull this back in behind the head. Rounding it out and coming back up. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Duskull from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.